Nothing is more annoying than knowing you have a dead battery when you go out in the morning. Even though you don't consider it when everything is going well, a few errors or malfunctioning parts can result in a battery that drains rapidly. In this video, I've highlighted the most common reasons your battery might keep dying, and whether a completely dead battery can even be recharged. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. Things that can drain a car battery. There are several reasons why your car's battery might be dead. Therefore, look into the following issues that could be causing your battery to drain before you go out and buy a new one. A new battery may be necessary, but there may be another reason. Lights left on. It's a long-standing issue. You unintentionally leave your lights on all night, and when you wake up in the morning, the battery is dead. Although headlights are frequently to blame, dome lights or other comparable lights can also cause the same issue. Although automatic headlights in many modern cars help with this issue, driving an older car without this feature has made people more complacent. Corroded or loose battery connections. More resistance from corroded wires makes it more difficult for electricity to reach its destination. Your battery may die as a result of having to exert more energy to achieve the intended effects. This also applies to loose connections. Strong connections provide minimal resistance, whereas shaky connections dramatically increase the total resistance. This can drain the battery for when you do tighten everything back up or clean the terminals, in addition to making it more difficult to start your car. Parasitic draw. Although a light left on is an example of a parasitic drain, the term refers to anything that draws power while the vehicle is not moving. Every contemporary car has some parasitic appeal. For this reason, disconnecting your car's battery is a smart idea if you're going on vacation and won't be driving for a while. However, it can become problematic when those draws consume excessive amounts of power. Possible parasitic draws include things like broken parts, crossed electrical lines, and a radio that won't turn off. A parasitic draw that drains a battery can even occur in the starter. A parasitic draw is a common cause of a battery that seems to die overnight, regardless of the cause. Problems with the charging system. The alternator's job is to charge the battery, while the battery's job is to hold a charge and assist in starting your car. However, your battery won't receive the charge it requires to survive if there is an issue with the wiring or alternator. Eventually, you will need a jump start or a charge because your battery will only start your car a few times. Numerous people have had their alternator malfunction and had to replace a perfectly good battery. When the car is running, you must look for voltage output at the alternator in order to inspect the charging system. A thorough diagnostic test on your charging system can also be performed by taking your car to a store like AutoZone. Severe temperature changes. Your battery dislikes extremes, whether they are extremely hot or extremely cold. Older batteries just cannot withstand these changes, but newer batteries can. Extreme weather can cause batteries to lose some of their effectiveness, which is quite normal. If the weather is bad enough, you may not be able to start your car. Short drives or no time to charge. You deplete the battery a little each time you start your vehicle. That charge doesn't appear out of thin air. Recharging your battery requires the alternator to work, which takes time. Your battery isn't getting the time it needs to charge between starts. If all you do each day is make the short trip down the street and back. To give your alternator time to recharge the batteries, try leaving your car running for 15 to 20 minutes. Old battery. Each part of your car has a limited lifespan. Although the location of use affects how long a battery lasts, even the best batteries under ideal circumstances should be replaced roughly every 10 years. It is very uncommon for a battery to last that long. Generally speaking, you will need to replace your battery roughly every 3 to 5 years. Fortunately, modern technology makes it possible for batteries to last longer and weigh less, which facilitates installation. Can a completely dead battery be recharged? Even though a fully dead battery cannot be recharged, it's likely that the battery you're attempting to recharge hasn't reached that stage yet. A battery may be able to be revived with the correct charger as long as it has at least 1 volt. However, remember that it's not just about the volts when it comes to battery restoration. Additionally, cold cranking amplifiers are required, and even a fully charged 12.6 volt battery may not be sufficient to start a car that requires them. Additionally, remember that some batteries are just no longer able to hold a charge. In such a scenario, no amount of time on a charger will revive a dead battery, regardless of how dead it is. Lastly, when you have the time, it's always preferable to gradually charge rather than inject a large amount of current all at once. Recharging a battery on its final leg can take several days, but it's your best chance to get everything functioning properly again.